Good morning from Laguna Beach, California. This is Jay Valento and live from RedWagonTeam.com, the hottest selling real estate website in all of Southern California. Today we're focused on Laguna Beach real estate, the current market trends and housing prices for Laguna Beach, so you get a real insight into the city of Laguna Beach and what's going on. This is what typically it looks like on our website for Laguna Beach real estate. Beautiful photo. I can't remember where that photo was taken. I think it was one of the coves there. Anyway, welcome to Laguna Beach. This is what all the properties are currently looked for that are currently for sale, and you can kind of scroll through here if you want to customize your search at any time. There were 124 there. You could refine your search just by price range in bedrooms and bathrooms, but you say, well, I want to be a little different. I wanted some other things in here other than that, so you just click on new search. Pops right in here. You say, well, there's not enough things to search for. Click on more options, and you get all these different ways to search. So let's say you wanted an ocean beachfront property in Laguna Beach, and you need a garage. It's always important there. If you wanted one story, you can click on that. There's just so many ways to search here on the website now. If you wanted some foreclosures, it'll narrow the search. REO property, which is real estate owned, same thing as foreclosures. Short sales, standard sales, any is due. I would start with any first and then narrow it down over time. There are lots of ways to search for property here. If you click on search right here, just to give you a quick example before we go into housing trends in Laguna Beach, they'll give you a map like this. All the properties are in these big pictures here. So you say, well, Jay, I really love this property here. You simply click on the address or the photo of the property. This one's at 6.8 million, and you'd be able to go, okay, look, there's 43 photos. You just use the little arrows here, and you could look through and see exactly where it is. Even give you a map here. That's pretty cool. Down here you'd have all the features. You'd have a map of the area, schools, a walk score, how close the nearest coffee shop and different businesses are to this property, and a mortgage calculator live, and you can put whatever the current interest rate is in, how much money you're going to put down. It gives you a really good idea of what your monthly payment would be for this property. You can send an email to a friend, share it on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, or Google+. All right, let's go right into our statistics here for the city of Laguna Beach. This is live, and we're going to be covering December, I believe. Let's see. I don't like this line thing. I like a bar chart, and I like year-to-date. So up until December 2016, the average selling price in Laguna Beach for a single-family home is $2,635,338. That's up 3.5% from a year ago at that time. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, let's look at the condo market here. Condo market is selling for $1,380,000. Let's finish our whole stats here, and then I'll do another one for condos. Single family homes. All right, how long does it take for a single family home in Laguna Beach to sell? The average days on market is 118 days. That's up 8.3%. So that kind of tells me it's a little higher price range, takes a little bit longer to sell. How many Laguna Beach homes sold in 2016? 315. That's down 5%. 5.1% from a year ago. Okay, and let's look at the average price per square foot is $1,165 per square foot citywide. So it differs based on square footage. So if we go over here to square footage, and I put in a custom square footage, let's clear this out. Let's say it's 1,800 to 2,000 square feet, and somewhere you're in the middle of that somewhere. So let's close. Let's go to this. The average price per square foot is $1,284, but overall it was $1,165. So if I know your square footage, I can really narrow it down and get a real good picture of what the price per square footage is, just to get an idea of the market trend on that. Let's go back. We're at single family homes. The percentage of the last listed price that homes are selling for in the city of Laguna Beach it's crunching numbers. And when you do it live, seems like it is forever. So it's crunching some numbers there. Let's see what it does. Taking some time. It's really crunching numbers there. Okay. Well, let's come back to that, I guess. What else can we do here? Well, it's playing around. Let's go over here. This is a really beautiful photo. Really like it. For 6.8 million, it's kind of nice. Let's look at a couple photos. Maybe it'll be done. That's the garage. Then you walk down to the house. There's the stairs. Nice view of the coastline. Overhead view. So it's this property right here. Well, that's interesting. So you get a southward coastal view of it. It's kind of nice. Oh, with stairs right down to the beach. It's pretty cool. There's the kitchen. I don't know whose listing this is, but it's really cool. I'd like to find a buyer for it. All right, let's see how our numbers worked out. Crunch time worked. 95.5% of the listed price, to give you some insights. That's the last listed price. Now, the original listed price, sometimes sellers put them a little bit higher. This is selling for 91% of the original listed price. And then they, at some point they dropped it down. So figure somewhere around there is a good starting point for an offer to get an idea. Now, when I was back here, let's look at months of supply. There's 8.5 months of supply, and then that terminates into 118 days on the market. So there's a lot of competition for buyers, since the average price in Laguna Beach is $2,635,000. So, you've got lots to look from and make a good decision for property. So when you're looking for homes, look, picture of me. I got to change this. 24 years. Been doing this for a long time, and still look young. This is amazing. Just simply go to redwagonteam.com, hit custom search, and you can search for homes anywhere in Southern California. Have a great day and a happy New Year.